everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join me today as we revisit apple dumplings, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Hello to all my Foxhole fam. I'm Todd, and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Well, this week we're continuing with the fall flavors as I show you how to make a fresh take on apple dumplings. Now, you may say, Todd, you guys have done apple dumplings before, but this is a fun, fresh take that's quick, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Okay guys, now first off, you guys may be asking, why apple dumplings? Well, we're getting into the fall season, and you may ask, haven't you guys done apple dumplings before? Well, Dave knows, and a lot of people know, I was not real happy with that episode, and I always like to go back and kind of reimagine it and see if we can do something a little bit better and give you guys something a little more exciting with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my apple slicer here. The nice thing with this, it also takes out the core as well. Dave was nice enough to peel the apples here for me. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put these back in a bowl of water here with some lemon juice. Just to keep them fresh and keep them looking nice. Alright, next up guys, now that we have our apples cut, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I've got 2 cans of crescent roll dough. You get it at basically any of your supermarkets. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and roll this out flat. Once I kind of find the starting point here. I'm just going to go ahead and roll this out here. And what we're going to go ahead and do is take one of our apple chunks, starting at the big end here, and we're just going to go ahead and roll it into one of our crescent rolls. Okay. And I'm just going to set them aside here, and then we're going to put them in a greased baking dish, which Dave was nice enough to already have ready for me here. Okay. Getting a little ahead of myself here. And Dave, what do you like about apple dumplings?
They taste like apple pie, but they're almost a little easier to make in some ways. But it's like a big apple pie.
So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap these up here nicely.
Okay.
And we'll show you what they look like in the baking dish then.
Okay.
Alright guys, we got our trusty saucepan going here. I'm going to set it to medium heat. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and melt down 2 sticks of butter. Just make sure it's nice and melty. Alright guys, now that we got our butter nice and melty here, I'm going to go ahead and add a 1.5 cups of sugar. And just mix it in. It does not have to be completely dissolved. Just has to be combined. How are we looking here, Dave?
Looking good. Give a little bit more of a stir.
Yeah, I got stuff on the bottom here that's kind of not really ultimately mixing in. Just take your time with it. Just make sure it's good and combined.
Looks good.
You think?
Yep.
Okay, and what's our next step here?
We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it till it's just combined. Just till the vanilla gets all mixed in there.
It shouldn't take real long, you would think.
No, not at all.
Actually,
pretty good, huh?
Yep.
And that's it. We're going to remove it from the heat.
Alright. Alright guys, we're back here to the kitchen table, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is our syrup mixture from a few minutes ago, we're just going to pour directly over our dumplings here. Trying to get them good and coated. How we looking here, Dave?
Good. I'm gonna have to spoon it over some of them.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm sure stuff will shift too. As well, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this here quick.
Okay.
What do you think? Looking pretty good here?
Looking good, you know.
Okay, and now comes the really crazy part, which a lot of you guys may be asking, why? Can of Mountain Dew.
Okay.
You can either take this or a can of basically any kind of lemon lime soda, and we're just going to pour it around the outside.
Okay.
And then we're going to sprinkle a teaspoon of cinnamon on top. And then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for what, about 35 to 45 minutes, Dave?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. Get a little bit of the dumpling here. And a little bit of the vanilla ice cream, just to kind of top it off. Quick, easy, and of course, so good. You guys are going to love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.